high. And you need to reduce the fine them too high.
I have a question for the government of Jamaica. So if you guys are getting some $9 million salary to survive in Jamaica, I understand your government personnel and officials, and your salary should be, significantly more than the regular people or, regular jobs. But I'm saying, you have a salary increase from $9 million to $20-something million to survive in Jamaica. So how does the regular people survive, who are not making not even $1 million per year? What about the regular guy who is making 100,000 in Jamaica or 50,000 in Jamaica per year? How do those people survive?
When them raise poor people, what they raise it by? 0.02 cents. Not percent enough. 0.02 cents. Or they give you 1% raise, 2% raise. And the farthest they might carry a 9, but we never get a 9% raise. But when for them percent at double digit, 12 and 13% rate, 25, 30, 45% rate, and so for them rates go.
That's the thing called hungry. Hungry is one of the most dangerous things in Jamaica right now. These youths that you see running in the street these days and moving without fear, those youths are very hungry and they are angry. Come out of their way.
Yo, Andrew Burgard, a full time now you stop your fuckery, no father. All the while you come and use a bumbo class strategy from poor people and people and fed up right now and corrupt right now, father. Father, right now you need to call the bumbo class election because you know your time expire, You know your time expire. You crave every bumbo class thing you can create now. So the bumbo class resign or retire from bumbo class Prime Minister, so you're a good piece of dog put on. We no bad money, father, but guess what? Stop use bumbo class strategy from poor people.
You can correct me if I'm wrong, but me no know no politician picnic turn teacher. Me no know no lawyer and a doctor children were turn teacher. Zine, the only people me know turn teacher are people who for parents also happen to be teachers, or people who are first generation college people like myself, are them turn teacher. You see me I say? And 2, 3, 4 months afterwards and I have Punchinella work without a salary. 4 months after she has been employed and I have Punchinella box fly. How is she supposed to sustain herself? How can you ask her to continue to show up and to do her duties?
Just supply the country with food. All of them look whole heap of neighborhood they are sitting trying to get the youth them some food down there because they are hungry and they are hungry. You need bag of rice down there and bag of flour so they can fry dumpling the whole day. Every day. Yes man, every day a whole heap of mackerel for youth them. Youth them love mackerel and all that. Youth them are start to say they want chicken, we know how they done.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I want you to like up this video for me. I want you to like up the video because the man them attack. A beer man in another video you talk, And when the man them talk, the man them serious, All of the man them are exposed and saying no mean Jamaican people no good. And the youth them are suffer and Jamaican people hungry. My viewers and subscribers, if you agree with the man them, like and share the video. Like and share the video, make everybody hear it, my viewers and subscribers. And I want you to watch the video to the end because there's some important things the man them are going to talk. And anytime you see the man them start talk, Andrew, you know your day is done. Woman will talk and talk, but anytime you see the man them start talk and talk to serious, them nah give your next blind again, them nah give your next chance again. Your day is done, man. You let down the man, you let down the woman them, and see the man them a blaze fire now. You see me? Nah, man. Time for go, man. My brothers and subscribers, watch the video to the end. Like up the video, watch it to the end, and this is what they matter about. Listen.
That's the thing called hungry. Hungry is one of the most dangerous things in Jamaica right now. These youths that you see running in the street these days and moving without fear, those youths are very hungry and they are angry. Come out of their way. Anyhow, my government can find a way how to feed this country better. I know that the crime rate will drop 0.000%. When I wake up and see a picnic them hungry morning time, you know see a baby mother hungry. You hungry. Everybody else in the yard hungry. And nobody to turn to you and help you go, and nobody to help you. So let me just go ahead and say this to you. Hungry are one of the most cruelest things in Jamaica. And please, my government, wherever we are going to get the help and the strength from, just supply the country with food. All of them look whole heap of neighborhood they are sitting trying to give the youth them some food down there because they are hungry and they are hungry. You need bag of rice down there and bag of flour so they can fry dumpling the whole day. Yes man, every day a whole heap of mackerel for youth them. Youth them love mackerel and all that. Youth them are start to say they want chicken, we know how they done.
You can correct me if I'm wrong, but me no know no politician picnic turn teacher. Me no know no lawyer and a doctor children were turn teacher. Zine, the only people me know turn teacher are people who for parents also happen to be teachers, or people who are first generation college people like myself, are them turn teacher. You see what I say? No, I'm not an artist. I'm not an art teacher, and by no stretch of the imagination am I an artist. But sometimes when you use little illustration, it helps you forget your point across. So pardon me as me use little bit of illustration to kind of sort of paint a picture of what it is that we have dealing with here. So right here, so we have Punchinella going through the doors of college, maybe the first person in a fair family to ever set foot on the grounds of any tertiary institution. Bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, she salvage every little money she can find. Every little body in the family contribute. She beg who she can beg. She try student loan bureau, but it never quite work out because she not have nobody to sign as a guarantor. But she go around and she pick up scrapsies and she a try to see if she can make it into and through Teachers College. Alright, Punchinella Pupa till the soil. Punchinella Pupa have to go out there in the sun with him who go dig and sweat and beg the elements to have mercy upon him and send water so that the few little things when put in the ground can come to fruition. Punchinella mama go market. She pack up what she can find in a basket between where the pupa plant and reap and what she get from other people or buy from other people in the community. Punchinella mama go market, go sit down round load and sell garlic and sell onion and sell cabbage and sell cucumber so that Punchinella can try to make it through Teachers College. Zine? No, because Punchinella well aware of how much her mama and her papa have to batter to make sure that she pass the worst. She's going to go to college and she'll go do her best and one day she'll go graduate and make them proud. So Punchinella finally get a job and the parents who help her to pass the worst I look to her. All of the family members where Punchinella borrow money from, I look for them money. And 2, 3, 4 months afterwards when I have Punchinella work without a salary, 4 months after she has been employed and I have Punchinella box fly, how is she supposed to sustain herself? How can you ask her to continue to show up and to do her duties? You can correct.
Yo, Andrew Burgard, a full time now you stop your fuckery, no father. All the while you come and use your bumbo class strategy from poor people and people fed up right now and corrupt right now, no father. Father, right now you need to call the bumbo class election because you know see your time expire, you know. You know see your time expire, so you create be a fuckery like a Donald Trump, you know, father. You create every bumbo class thing you can create now. So you know, the bumbo class resign and retire from bumbo class prime minister, you know, so you're a good piece of dog put on. We no bad money in the father, but guess what? Stop use bumbo class strategy from poor people. You say I got raise minimum wage by 23 bumbo class %, father. We sit through your deception now, father. We know see how we think of a bumbo class pipeline now. You see me? I got raise bumbo class income tax, NIS, NHT, education tax, GCT, all the bumbo class tax the father. You know say food price gonna raise. Every bumbo class price raise. Light bill, water bill. You got to raise bumbo class bus here again, father. Father, you don't care about bumbo class poor people. You don't care about the people, them, brother. But then if you care about the bumbo class people, them, you're a system dog, father. Get to you. I'm telling you this, man. I'll be a bumbo class slave master we have out here. We don't have no government. You did. So if you can't fly out, and help the people, them same way. But you want and say, oh, can run, it'll run. What about those who can't? You have to bumbo class they and suffer. And our bumbo class system dog slave master them out here. Politician, they need to start get bumbo class minimum wage. And see a real run better. Make no one a minimum wage and see a country run bumbo class better, father. You see it? So the reason people by 200 fucking plus 300, father. How much poor people get a good thing they on the bumbo class 95 system now, father. And I fight against chopping every day. Get a youth. No wrong no for the bumbo cloth chop father. Remember me told him that. Fuck up your line and let out your anger. Because them politicians know them not nothing for we father. No bumbo cloth system that. Yo, Andrew.
So I have a question for the government of Jamaica. So if you guys are getting some $9 million salary to survive in Jamaica, I understand your government personnel and officials, and your salary should be, significantly more than the regular people or, regular jobs. But I'm saying, you have a salary increase from $9 million to $20-something million to survive in Jamaica. So how does the regular people survive, who are not making not even $1 million per year? What about the regular guy who is making 100,000 in Jamaica or 50,000 in Jamaica per year? How do those people survive? And that me want to know. Make it make some sense to me, because some of you guys, I get some salary, some 25 million, 13 million, 23 million. So how the regular people survive down here? And that me want to know. Because if you guys need that much to survive in Jamaica, I understand, so now government personnel never make more money. Yes, that is granted. We understand that. Executives do make more, yes. But if we need that much to survive in the country per year as government personnel, as servants to the people, how the people survive? And that me want to wanna make me know. Make it make some sense, man. So never.
You pay for your road license, you pay for your insurance, you pay for your fitness, you pay for your vehicle license, you're fully straight and everything, and you still a got a pound. So I understand how if you can share in your own community. I don't like that, I understand none at all. And watch now, remember say first time, seatbelt you have $500, upside traffic you have $8 bills. Now we got a 5,000. So 2 little tap you make a $5,000 for a little upside traffic, 5,000, 2,000 for a little seatbelt and them something. You slackness. I can't share you 30,000. You come out in a man, you know run one chip police stop and take your vehicle that are 50,000, and if you do get a little ticket at $30,000, pants come off your license. You don't make no money for pay about none. You don't make no sense. You're straight. You still pay how much money. You don't make no sense. It makes sense to take off red plate because we have still much money for insurance, how much money for everything. We still get too much to give still a gap. If fine ain't too high, and you need to reduce the fine. If fine ain't too high.
And my viewers and subscribers, you've heard and you've listened to the voices of these men. And no, old man them ya, young youth them ya, and young man them ya, attack the things them, and them attack say from this one I say them want food, this one I talk about the government pay, the next one I talk about how teachers go to teachers college and then start work and work without 4 months and get paid, and say Mr. Money a ball about the taxi fare. This a government is a wicked and uncaring government, man. Them pressure poor people too much, man. The government pressure poor people too much, man, and the people them tired of it, man. It's the anytime you see one heap of man come out and talk like this, you know I done, the day is done. Anytime you see one heap of man come out and talk like this, brother, remember me tell you JLP, so I done, your day is done, because them man are serious, and them man are not going to just talk, so them are going to come with action. So you have to be careful, help the people or leave the people them alone, because it's not going to be good for you. My viewers and subscribers, like and share the video. Big up on yourself till next time.